You can prepare a fantastic crab soup for dinner using the recipe provided by our chef. 1 pound of fresh crab meat. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 2 carrots, diced. 2 stalks of celery, diced. 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth. 1 cup of heavy cream. 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, or to taste. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh parsley for garnish. In a large pot, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic, and sauté until they become translucent and fragrant. Add the diced carrots and celery to the pot, and cook for a few minutes until they start to soften. Pour in the chicken or vegetable broth, and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. Stir in the heavy cream and Old Bay seasoning, and let the soup simmer for an additional 5 minutes. Gently fold in the fresh crab meat, and cook for a few more minutes until the crab is heated through. Season the soup with salt and pepper to taste. Serve the crab soup hot, garnished with fresh parsley for an added touch of freshness. High in protein. Crab meat is a great source of lean protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues, as well as supporting healthy muscle function. Rich in vitamins and minerals, crab meat contains essential nutrients such as vitamin B12, selenium, and zinc. Vitamin B12 is important for maintaining healthy nerve function, while selenium and zinc play vital roles in supporting immune function and overall well-being. Low in calories. Crab meat is relatively low in calories, making it a nutritious option for those watching their calorie intake while still enjoying a delicious and satisfying meal. Source of omega-3 fatty acids. Crab meat contains omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health, reducing inflammation, and supporting brain function. Provides antioxidants. The vegetables used in the soup, such as carrots, celery, and onions, contribute antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and promote overall health. Enjoy the delectable flavors of this crab soup while reaping the numerous health benefits it offers. Thank you for choosing our channel.